Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Solana. What's necessary? All right. First of all, I do daily updates on Solana, so I would have made it either way. But Solana right now, what I like about it is that it's also one of the most bullish cryptos in the markets. All right. Yesterday was quite a bearish day for Bitcoin. I mean, if you compare the moves that Bitcoin did with most of the altcoins, most altcoins dropped down severely. Like if you look at Arbitrum, Litecoin, like most of them, Pixel, NFP, AVAX even dropped down quite a bit. And what was one of the cryptos that actually held on the best? It was Solana. And that's also, again, like Solana never turned bearish. In the end, we dropped down to 177. If you would have told us a week ago that we would drop down to 177 and people were afraid, then we would probably laugh, all right? But we held that, all right? We did not even touch the 28 EMA. And right now you can see that instantly we're trying to break above 185 and 186 again. So Solana looks super strong right here. That's just in general my summary of Solana at this point of time. If you look at Solana against Bitcoin, this is also still very strong. And this is, well, we're at that previous high. But I'll tell you, usually when you do something like this, like when you start a bullish market structure and you get to the previous high, usually you go higher. So I'm very bullish on Solana, all right? It is dependent on Bitcoin. I'll tell you that much. It is very much dependent on Bitcoin. Like the main thing that Solana right now has to do is very simple. It just needs to break back above 180, 185, 187 and hold it on the 4-hour time frame. If we can do that, I mean, we already reached 198, but then we can easily get to that next price target at 200 and 210, which, as most of you know, purely technically, that's the main resistance level. And to be fair, I mean, because we already got so close to 200, I would say that the main target is actually a bit higher, so 205 and 210. But that's something we'll have to see today. I mean, the weekend, and especially like from Sunday to Monday, what happens is that the liquidity and the volume is quite low in the markets, and then new volume gets into the markets, and that causes a lot of volatility. So even though I think Solana at this point of time looks very bullish, nothing is confirmed if we don't get that bullish breakout. So that's definitely something you should watch. And if you look at, for example, this, we have lost some momentum. I mean, the momentum was still very much going up here, as you can see. And if you clone that, you can also see that there was very much an uptrend in momentum, right? So this is all great, and we have lost that. So I think we can reclaim that, the same as we should reclaim 187 as a support level. But we do need to see that confirmation first, because if there's no confirmation, then it will not happen. But the thing is it is what I expect. I do expect, and that's still in line with what I said yesterday, I do expect Solana to break above 187, take that break retest and to rally up to 205 and 210. But that's for multiple reasons. Like I said, Solana against Bitcoin is looking quite strong. We are seeing some bullish momentum for Bitcoin, and there's a good chance in these market circumstances that will continue, which is obviously great. And then apart from that, and I tell you this all the time, Solana as an ecosystem, like if you look at Pyth, if you look at Jupiter, if you look at Jito, for example, they're all still holding on fairly well, all right? You can see that the total value lock has dropped down a bit here, but that's mostly just because of the market drop, all right? That's not because of the ecosystem all of a sudden decreasing. Pretty big drop though, but that's I don't think it's a problem. So in general, I expect more bullish momentum. That's just, in short, what I expect. If anything changes, I mean, if Bitcoin becomes very, very, very bearish and Solana does not break above 187, all right, well, then we'll drop back down to 175 and potentially 165. But that's still, technically, that's still bullish. So, yeah, I'll keep you updated. For now, this is what you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.